action.
Hello, today I'll show you how many different putties do I have. This one, let me show you it. It's kind of hard. It looks like this, and it makes fat bones, as you can see. And this is the emoji one. It smells good. It smells like strawberry and blueberry pie. And you can do stuff with it.
This is good. And that's
And this
emoji.
is the earth putty. And it's just the water and the ice one. I won this. And you go like,
Don't record it.
I want it to go like this. And it'll go so flat. And it's metallic key.
You could just point it if you want.
Yeah, you can just break it. And that's the end. I want to show all of it
Okay.
at the next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye,
After
guys.
today.